What's up, photo family? It's Black Friday. Are you ready for the biggest sale ever on our favorite piece of lighting gear, the CLX10 by Stella Pro? Still haven't decided if the CLX10 is the right light for you? If you are a wedding shooter, this is the ultimate wedding light. If you're like us and you love to shoot those dramatic portraits, this light is amazing paired with the modern mirrorless camera. Have you ever struggled trying to blend your subject with that beautiful, beautiful sunset? With the CLX10, it's simple to do. Are you a video shooter? If you are a video shooter, this lightweight, simple light is the ultimate video light. So if you're ready to upgrade your lighting, again, in the description below is a link that will take you right to the website so that you can order these amazing lights and it will automatically apply those discounts. Remember, 40% off individual lights, 50% off if you purchase a kit. We can't wait to see what you'll create.